assuming you follow the appropriate procedure, you can make the opposing party give you certain documents that are relevant to your proceeding that you can then use to prepare your case. When looked at and analyzed appropriately, you can kind of track someone's income and their spending. And when you see that there's an inconsistency there, there's more money going out than coming in, or, vice versa, then you can make inferences from that, and you can make claims that maybe someone has more money than they're showing, or that they have more money than they say that they have for something like child support or alimony. So part of our offerings for the partial representation is obtaining that evidence or those documents for the people, and then usually completing that analysis for them. Most of the times people need us to go ahead and analyze it, and then advise them of where those red flags are or what those issues are, so then they can go and use that to their advantage if they're negotiating an agreement, or if they do end up going to trial, they at least know how to use those documents to their advantage. For quite a few years now, Connecticut has allowed something called partial representation or limited scope representation. We call it a-la-carte representation. So you can hire an attorney. If you can't afford it for your whole case, you can hire an attorney for bits and pieces of your cases where you think you might need the most help. We've always done free phone consultations. We've always wanted to make ourselves available for people just to get procedural information, price information, and just to, determine whether or not they'd even think about using us or want to use us.